Hey guys, Rusty School RC here. Today we have a new Limitless build on the bench, and this build has a couple of unique components here, so that I'd like to cover with you guys. So, without a whole lot of blah blah blah, let's jump right in. So this is a Arma Limitless V2 chassis, and I am running the Hobbywing Max 4 combo. So it means we have the Hobbywing Max 4 ESC and the Easy Run 560 kV 7125 motor. And let's see, we have a 58 tooth pinion on this guy. And let me come back around here to get a shot of the pinion, or the spur, sorry. That is a 29 tooth spur. It's kind of tucked in there, so when you guys get a shot of that. Okay, so when I started to install these four fans here to keep this this big motor cool, I started to think, hey guys, you know, it's summertime. These power systems generate a ton of heat, and a lot of that heat gets trapped underneath the body. So I wanted to come up with different ideas, different cooling systems, if you will, to help combat this. And this is one iteration of a cooling system. So at the front here, we have the intake, and this is a 30mm EDF that's used to pull in air into the vehicle. And I also modified the body to cut out that portion and actually install the grill so the air could pass through the body from that entry point. That's going to pull air in across the body, and this guy here is actually a vacuum. You know, the handheld vacuum blowers you can buy off Amazon? That's what this guy is. So I took the vacuum component out, converted it to run with the RC. It's going to pull that heated air out down this pipe and out the exhaust. So that's the version of the exhaust of this cooling system. Now, these two fans, or fan and vacuum, they run independent of the throttle and independent of each other. So I have the fan here, the intake fan, running on the VR knob, and the exhaust component, the vacuum, running on a 3-position switch. All right, guys, that was just a kind of a quick overview of this new build, power system and cooling system. So let's get some batteries in here and get her fired up so we can see how she runs. All right, guys, we have two 6,000 milliamp 120C Z batteries running in series for 12S for the Max 4 combo. And then we have two 3S packs. One pack, this 2200 milliamp pack, is going to be running the cooling system, and this 1000 milliamp is going to be running these four fans here. So let's go ahead and fire some of these things up and see how she goes. Starting off with the cooling system, we'll start with the fan up front. Okay, and now the exhaust system. All right, we have suction there, and air moving through the back. All right. And now for the power system. All right, let's get right on the road and give her a test run. All right, guys, that was the first run of this new build, and all in all, I think it went pretty well. I did keep an eye on the temps, and they were reasonable, a little over 100 on the motor and ESC. I didn't record them because this was more of a test of the entire build. I do plan on testing the cooling system independently, come out here and do a run without it on for like 3 minutes, and then do the same run again with it on and compare those numbers. So this was more of an entire build run. So tell me guys what you think. Hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.